Welcome, today in front of me SONY Xperia Tablet Z, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should just hold for a while the application and drag the zip to the another application. Here, as can you see, we should just enter the new name to our folder. For example, I'll enter the apps, and now just tap here to done again. And as can you see, we got here the new folder in our display. If you want to add here more applications, just by the same way, hold the app and drag it here to this folder. So if you want, sure, you can move this folder here on the screen. Just hold for a while and drag it to the position where you want to just take this application, or also you can just move this application between the screens by this way. Oh, sorry, I just oh, why I can't do that? Why I can't do that? Okay, again. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. So by this way you can move this folder here, for example, to another screen. And if you want to just remove the application from the folder, just hold for a while and drag it here to the screen. Or for example, you can just move this folder to the trash icon, but don't worry, the items, they will just delete it from your screen, but they also will stay in your apps gallery here. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.